Yeah, hello, great traders. Today I'm on your screen one more time, and we want to do gold analysis for the week that's on the 7th to 11th October 2024. Okay, yes, so before I dive into today's analysis, let's quickly do this. Okay, we want to look at what really happened in the course of the previous week. I anticipated something which really played out as analyzed. So let's quickly go through. So first and foremost, I want us to check gold. Okay, this one is the XY. So this is what I spoke about, the XY. I spoke about the fact that if the market gets to this point, okay, we are going to have it, because I spoke about the fact that I'm having some 330. So I mean, it was even 4. And I expected it to go, and I spoke with if you had watched the video critically, you attested the fact that I spoke that if the market breaks the trend line, the downtrend line, okay, and I give this figure, okay, that I'll be expecting a retest like this, and then it's going to shoot up if it breaks above this particular figures that I have given. Right, but first and foremost, so far as I saw a breakout, I felt like that is the time. That is the time. The next thing is just to wait for a retest, and then we just move. Do you get it, guys? So that is one thing that you have to take note of. Okay, yes, we interpreted everything, and everything played as discussed. Okay, so this is one. Let's go to the second one. So the second one will be this one. Let's look at it. Okay, good. So having broken, okay, a retest, okay, a retest on this particular, there are two confluences. Okay, the first one was breakout from the trend line, and then at the same time this one being a support. So we use a support and then a trend line, and then after the retest, what happened? Started shooting up. So I use this one as the first R, which is the support resistance area, then the second resistance area, then the third resistance area. Just take note of what I'm doing. Okay, so it got to this point, broke above the resistance, went to this point, make some form of consolidation because of I'm using the time frame, 4-hour time frame. So make some consolidations, but I have to be frank with you on this matter, because there was a breakout, this particular thing, okay, like the shadow over there, what's the name, the wick over there, okay, suggests that there has been a breakout. So plus or minus, we are going to have the market to shoot up, and obviously that happened. Okay, and then the possible area of resistance was this point. Okay, this area. What happened over there too was that there was a breakout, and then it started trying to go to the upward side. But before the NFP, okay, NFP, I anticipated this. Okay, now a breakout, of course, is going to retest, and then it will just shoot up. So this is analysis that I did for the news, okay, for NFP. Okay, very critical that you guys to take note of. And what really happened? Did that happen? That is the question we have to ask ourselves. So I don't want to come to your way trying to analyze the market in such a way that it will not hold water, or it will not go as planned. Okay, yes, I want this thing to benefit most traders out there. Okay, so this is what I wanted, and I wanted to trade it live with my people, but I did what is this. I was unable to do that because of other responsibilities. So let's check what really happened. Let's check what really happened. So when you come here, let's check. So this is what really happened. Okay, so of course I set a retest, and then it's going to shoot upward, and so this is NFP. Okay, so this is the results. Okay, yeah, for the analysis. Okay, yeah. So I just want you guys to take note of some of the thing. Okay, away from this one too, let me also let you know something. Away from this one, I also interpreted other ones as well. Let's check out this one. Okay, this one was good. Okay, let me use this. This one was gold, right? So with gold, I spoke to you about the fact that I'm expecting the market to make some form of consolidations and then come down. Okay, and that is what happened. And I even told you that if whatever happened, I don't mind the market coming to the same zone. Okay. So I don't mind coming to that place before coming down. But before, I'm expecting some form of ranging or choppy before coming down. And that is what really happened. That is what we will go to the screen and then you see what really happened. Do you understand? So just take note of what is happening. And let me check this one out. Okay, so we have this one. This one was Euro USD 15 minutes time. So I did this one for you to know what I'm anticipating. And because we are having this, okay, if you can see, we have this and then the uptrend. Okay, I was expecting that it breaks, and which happened. Okay, which really happened, a retest. And currently go and see what is happening. It is even coming down the more. You understand? Make some wedge and then continue. You understand? So we will check all those things so that we will confirm whatever I discussed with you about. So let's go to the chart. Okay, so this is good so far. What I wanted you guys to take note with gold now is that I have to take certain things out for me to explain into details a few things with you, so you can attest to the fact that this area was what I spoke about, that the market will obviously come to that point. Okay, this area. Okay, obviously. Do you understand? Of the previous analysis, I spoke to you about the fact that it will come there before it will start dropping. Okay, yeah. So currently, this place is proven to be a strong resistance area. Okay, so I will tell you the what's the name, the figures to work with so far as support and resistance is concerned. Okay, and then the market, so far we are having this point to be our support area. So let me type it quickly so that you guys can attest to what is happening. So we are using 267 let me see. So we have, this is the height. Okay, but I want to use the normal one, which is, so let's use 265 as the resistance area, right? So that's our resistance area. One can decide to use 70 or 71, whichever way. Okay, so resistance. Okay, so let's work with this one so far. Okay, yeah, we can work with this one. I mean, I have it over here, right? I think the figure is already there. Am I right? Yeah, I have it over there. So it's the same thing. We can use the same thing. Are we together? So we can use the same thing. We can use the same figures that I have over here. I think it's still there, right? So this is our resistance so far, because the market is more or less like proving that this area is a strong resistance area. Then it came, this is a key place that we also need to take notice of. Okay, yes, I will be changing certain things, so take note of. Take this one too out. The purpose is that the market came down here to confirm the support area. So it came to, this is the resistance break, and then became, okay, resistance becoming a support. So this area is now our support. This area is now our support. Okay, yes, it's now our support. So we have 1 and then we have 2 over here, right? Good. Now let's do this math. Okay, no, let me do this rather for you to see what is happening. on a 4-hour time frame, take note, what I'm doing is on a 4-hour time frame, right? So we are having something like this. If I should extend it, okay, I'm having two things. I can extend this one too as well. Okay, I can extend this one too as well, but I want to work with the red one. Okay, yes. So with the red one, currently this is what is happening. Okay, and I'm expecting the market to somewhat consolidate within this area. So this is the supports. The support is over here is 2631. Okay, so this is the support so far. Okay, let me make it very big so that you guys can appreciate. So this is the support now, and then this is the resistance zone. Okay, so this is the resistance zone, and then this is the support. Right now, I'm expecting the market should make some corrections, but plus or minus, I'm expecting if it refuses to break above, okay, then I'm expecting it to break down, and if it breaks below 2631, okay, if it breaks, the nearest possible place we are targeting is this area. Okay, let's take note of that. We target 2590. Okay, this area. So just take note if the market breaks below this area. Okay, one, breaking through below the support, which is this line. Let me change the color so you appreciate it. Let's make it this red, right? This one, we make it red. So if it breaks below this support, so first we have the support, and then secondly we have uptrend line, this particular line. Okay, so if it breaks, we expect some kind of retracement beneath the support. Okay, yes, like I always say. So we have this, it breaks. Okay, then we wait for a retest beneath the support, and then we expect it to drop. And if it is dropping, we want to see the possible area of support, which is this area, and so we look at for this one. Okay, yes, if anything happens, okay, then maybe we may consider, but so far we are going to deal with this and this for this week. If anything really happen, then we target 2590. Okay, so this is what I'm anticipating. That is if it refuses, because this place seems very strong for the market to break through. Okay, so if it refuses to break through, we expect it to come to the support area, which is 2631, or furthermore 2590 as the support areas. So please kindly take note of that. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening. So this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, on a 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having so far. Okay, we can see that the market is more or less like ranging in a particular space or area or zone, as you may put it, and that is between 2631, which is the support, okay, resistance, sorry, which is the resistance, and then the support area 2631. Okay, here rather is 71. When you look at it, 70, let me check, 71, yes. So the resistance 71, that is where so far the market is kind of, so between this and this, the market is ranging from there. Okay, but we are expecting a breakout, okay, maybe to go and make some corrections. If we see a sign of breakout, we retest, and then we target the possible area, which is this place on the, what's the name, support area. Are we together? So let's take note. Let's really take note of that. Okay. Let's take note of whatever is happening now. Okay. So let's go to, so I've shared with you what I'm looking forward for so far as this one is concerned. Now let's go to the XY. Okay. Yeah, on the XY, okay, this is what really happened. I've shared with you. This is what is happening. Now, it has come to a point where I'm expecting the market to somewhat make some kind of retracement plus or minus on this particular area and then bounce back, okay, as the support area. Or it can even decide to break below it, come all the way. I don't even I'm even sure, okay, it can even come between this area, okay, yes, before going up. So let's take note of that. But I want to work with this for the meantime, okay, so make some corrections around this place because of this area, okay. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do, right? So, but today I don't want to, okay, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, this is what really happened. Okay, this is what really happened. I've shared with you this already, and I spoke to you about the fact that this is a very strong zone, resistance zone, where the market is going to find it difficult. And so I'm expecting a breakout, a retest, and then, do you understand? And the same happened here. During the news, I did this one and I'm like, no, seeing this alone suggests that the market is going to, you know, it's correlated pair so far as the XY is concerned. So if the XY is going up, then of course, Euro USD is going to go down. Now, as it stands now, okay, I'm expecting it to a little bit come down a little bit here, okay, because of that point is a support area. Okay, maybe a little bit before going up, right, and then continue to the downside. But for now, I'm expecting it to come down to the support area. This is a support area. It cannot just go like that. It should be able to feel the responsibility of this area, which is the support area, before retracing. Okay, so that is it for today. Take note. And then I think we are going to do well in the subsequent weeks. And I trust that if you follow this analysis and you have anything that you want me to touch on, why not? You can leave it under the comment section for me to address it. Thank you so much, and try your possible best to subscribe. If you have seen this one, try your possible best to subscribe. Thank you.